Hello guys! Today I will tell you more about phone numbers, virtual phone numbers or fake phone numbers, as you wish. Everybody know that virtual phone numbers is more and more popular nowadays, but everybody think that it is very expensive pleasure. But today I will tell you how to use fake phone numbers absolutely for free. Stay tuned and check this video. Okay guys, I will show you one Telegram bot where you can find free phone numbers to receive SMS very easily. Virtual phone number is a phone number without any carrier, so it has no relations with somebody's ID or name or surname. It is absolutely free to use. And this bot, SMS-MAN free numbers bot, will help you to sign up in any application you want with fake phone number. For example, let's sign up in Tinder with this phone number from Romania. As we see, this number got SMS from Telegram, from Google, from POF, from Amazon, and so on. Let's use it for Tinder now. To do that, I need just copy the number, it will help us soon, and go to Tinder. I will use Web Tinder. Let's create account. Log in with the phone number. We need to wait some time because Tinder is loading. Okay, we should choose our country firstly. Let's search for Romania. Yeah, that's good. Enter our number. Delete first two digits, because Tinder already knows that our number is +40. And click continue. Tinder sent code to our phone number, so we need to return in Telegram to get this code. Let's click get SMS. Okay, we have to wait some time before SMS will be received. Okay, we got Tinder SMS code. Let's reveal it and copy. Return to Tinder and input our code. Let's enter our email address. I will use my work email. Agree with Tinder privacy policy. Fill some name, some birthday, gender, show me, no any passions. Oh, we need to add at least 2 photos to continue. I won't add it, I think you believe me that we signed up Tinder easily, for free. We just need to add photos to continue. As you see, this bot has 29k subscribers now. I think this number will grow rapidly after this video. Free phone number from this bot renew every 4 hours. As we can see, previous phone number got 56 SMS, so you can use it for every app you know. You can use it twice, you can use it 3 times, 10 times. Indifferent. Previous number was from England, this number from Romania. This app mixes phone numbers from different countries for you and give you new free phone number every 4 hours. Use it fluently. Subscribe to SMS-MAN and check the ending of this video. That's all. In this video we learned what is virtual phone numbers, where to find virtual phone numbers, how to find virtual phone numbers for free, and how to use free phone numbers from SMS-MAN. Stay tuned, put your likes, put your notifications on, write comments. See you next week. Goodbye.